Well, it looks like, I mean, it's beautiful. Oh man, this is gonna be something else. This is freaking hail coming down. Look at this. Yeah. That's wild, man. And the haboob. We got a haboob going on with this thing too. I feel some dust. Maybe that's a haboob over there. Look at this. This is hail coming down. This is July the 3rd, 2013. Yeah, there's dust in the air. A lot of dust. Look at that. Freaking wild, man. There's dust though. I can sense it. It's coming from this direction, so I'll probably get whacked a little bit. Yeah, you can see it collecting down there. Right down there. Well, life in the high desert. 140 one day, and you know what I mean. Exaggerating a little. But man, it's been really nice the last few days, but it was really hot. And now look at this. This is a freaking hailstorm. Yeah, there's dust in the air. This haboob thing, man, it's not good. Yeah, it looks like it's coming down some rain too, but man, this is great. And I got up this morning, we had a rain last night, and there was water along the road, and like 3 o'clock or something was still water standing a little bit there. But this is great. This is really, really beautiful. This is exactly what we need. So it was the thing that where I was growing up that it always rained on the 4th of July. So today's the 3rd. I hope we get a big one tomorrow. Looks like this one might go on for a while, and I'm very happy about it. So, all right. Just thought I'd share that with you. See you later.